and you don't know what to do, and everybody seems to have it out for you. You just be kind and watch you're behind, cause in time it becomes another banging rhyme. You got your jaw locked tight with fancy eyes, cause you don't know where you're going when the beasts arrive. You choose the wrong path, you feel you're forced to take, but never change yourself for someone else's sake. I fear I'm losing control. I fear I'm losing control. Don't take your clothes off just to find your light, cause all the critics all know you're in a losing fight. You choose the wrong path, you feel you're forced to take, but never change yourself for someone else's sake. I said, hold on to life, full speed ahead. Listen to what the Dalai Lama said. You wanna let go of your mighty shine, cause in the morning you'll be sleeping in a field of mines. I said, I fear I'm losing control. I fear I'm losing control. I fear I'm losing control. Life will come if you're ready or not, so take each moment in your stride. Do what you love, love what you do, cause everything that happens will come down to you. Make things happen, don't stay in bed, or just listen to your mama like your papa said. I feel I'm losing control. I fear I'm losing control, cause when you're stuck in the mix and you don't know what to do, when everybody seems to have it out for you, you just be kind and watch you're behind, cause in time it becomes another banging rhyme. You just be kind and watch you're behind, cause in time it becomes another banging rhyme. I said,